Hey, my name is Maurizio, and I'm going to tell you how the Lean Presentation Design was born. I was working as brand marketing manager in a multinational company in the FMCG industry. As a former management consultant, I knew the importance of being able to convey my message through effective presentations made efficiently. In simple words, I just needed to be fast at crafting effective presentations for myself and my bosses. During my consulting experience, I learned to be very fast at making slides in PowerPoint. But it was only thanks to my marketing experience that I learned how to craft a message for a specific target audience. The combination of being very fast and very effective at presenting made me soon very requested by my bosses, who wanted me to make up their presentations all the time. They knew success hides behind effective presentation delivery. I soon understood that the way one communicates is crucial to the way it's perceived, and how this has a direct impact on personal branding within your organization and therefore success. As everybody else in a corporate job, I just wanted to have a successful and fast career. I wanted to be considered a talent and a brilliant professional. However, in a 9 to 7 corporate job, you don't get time to develop the skills you like. And my communication style was strongly influenced by corporate guidelines and traditional culture. I've always been very ambitious, and when I realized that the corporate job was slowing me down, I decided to quit to start making presentations for others to succeed. I was finally free, and I could put my skills at the service of the others. Very soon, I started collecting clients' calls. People were calling me to make their presentations up. However, not having a guideline or a methodology, not even a simple template, I had to create each presentation manually, one by one. Being an engineer and a business person, this was driving me crazy. I felt lost, and I was afraid I could not make the next presentation after confirming the project to the client. Imagine confirming a project to a client and then not being able to come up with an effective solution. This was scaring me to death. This is why I decided to join a digital graphics specialization master in Milan. I learned from all the presentation design books and gurus out there. I studied user experience design, copywriting, advertising, psychology and persuasion science. But I soon realized that what I needed was completely different from a traditional design methodologies that I could ever study. I had the background in engineering and business. There was no way to turn myself into a creative designer. But the most exciting moment in this journey came when I discovered it was not needed. I kept trying and experimenting, accumulating experience presentation after presentation, client after client. It was only when I first combined content strategy, storytelling, and some fundamental user experience design technique that I first came up with the Lean Presentation Design idea. I realized I didn't need any creative skills to make presentations more effective. All I needed was to change my point of view and look at presentations in a way I've never looked at them before. For the first time, I created an innovative presentation design methodology, a set of guidelines that would have guided me through the presentation design world in order to make more effective presentations in half of the time, with absolutely no need to become a creative designer. I started looking at presentations with new eyes. I applied the methodology on my clients' projects, and the results were impressive. My plan was to publish the methodology and teach it to a team of professionals who could help me serve more and more clients. However, I felt I was not as fast as I could have been. I still was wasting a lot of time in recurrent tasks. I needed thousands of clicks, even for simple presentations. I ended up so frustrated that I decided to come up with a unique ribbon of functionalities that I created myself to automate the most time-consuming tasks in PowerPoint. Thanks to the combination of the Lean Presentation Design methodology and the MLC PowerPoint add-in, I could literally turn ideas into effective PowerPoint presentations at light speed. And I did it for hundreds of professionals all over the world. They use my presentations for their success. I finally published the Lean Presentation Design book. I started distributing the MLC PowerPoint add-in, and I co-founded MLC Presentation Design Consulting. Today, me and my team are helping thousands of professionals working for multinational companies to turn their ideas into effective Lean presentations for their success. Many have changed the way they approach and design presentations by joining the Lean Presentation Design course. And I've collected hundreds of beautiful feedback from all of them. If you are serious about designing effective presentations and you want to take your presenting skills to the next level, it's time for you to join the Lean Presentation Design movement now. I'll see you in the course.